Okay, this is JB here with today's futures day trading video review for Tuesday, October 10th, 2017 for Drummond Energy bands. Today, before 8 a.m. Eastern, we said 47.75 would be the line in the sand, and the best bet that if we could get below it, we're going to get down to 44.5, maybe 41.5. Now, we never got up to, we got up to 53, which was the pop that we were looking at. And the reason we're looking at 53 today is you can look at this chart here. There's the wall that we had that come in at 53. See the GPS is zero energy pushing down. That means there's a flat market for this bar here. There's no energy pushing up. So when we got up here, I had mentioned in the room that this little rectangle I'd put on this pink line was a lean that I was looking at. It was not part of our trade plan. It was not a typical type of our trade plan for what we discussed in the room, but this is what we call an exhaust, and the trade chart on the right here was picking it up. You can see that it was popping, and we never put, you see these R2s, they never went in a straight line until this bar through here. So you could know your risk based on the 375 from the pink line, this upper red energy band, but it's not a trade plan setup. Okay, so I mentioned in the room, if you're going to do it, you're leaning against 375. Okay, so anyway, we're going to do a webinar today at 4:15 p.m. Eastern. Let's find out what kind of a trader you are. Are you a trader that has to have a trend to buy with, or a counter trend setup to sell with? One or the other. This GPS, it's a little bit of a nuance here with the GPS. We're going to get into it into the webinar, talk a little bit more about it, and that's at 4:15 p.m. Eastern today. If you want to join us, you can click on the link. Thank you for interest.